If this video appeared on your feed, I think I know what your worst nightmare is. And you tell me if I'm right. A life where you wake up at 6 a.m. every day, go to a job that you hate and that only pays you a salary that just get you by. While the people in suits and ties just sit and laugh and collect all of the real money. I'm going to make another guess. Every time you try to get out, you are met with all of these get rich quick schemes on the internet that teaches you old strategies that only worked like 2, 3 or 4 years ago. Well, my friend, I'm glad you're still watching because I got something for you. I have done more than $27 million in online sales in just 3 years. And I recorded a free 14-minute video that not only show you how I went from $20,000 in debt to more than 27 million in just 3 years. But the video also shows you my 90% done for you system that will sell high-ticket digital products for you in 72 hours or less, or you get to keep the entire system for free, guaranteed. All you have to do is click the link in my bio and I send it to you. Let's get it.